Hello everyone, welcome back to Lovely's Crafting Lodge. Today we are continuing our October series where we are building a stash of tags. Today we are exploring circle tags. I have a very large circle punch here that I will be using. If you don't have a circle punch, you can use a cup. The top of it is typically one size and the bottom is a different size. So right within one item, one tool out of the kitchen, you have two different sizes. I have a different glass here, and this one is bigger at the top, smaller at the bottom. However, their size is close to one another, and this will come in later on as an advantage to us. I'll set those tools aside, and the material that I'm choosing today to make my circle tags out of is a box from the kitchen. So I'm just going to go ahead and trim it up here to be manageable size. When you use the punch, you kind of got to conform to its requirements. So if you turn it upside down, if you turn the punch upside down, you can see exactly where you are in your paper. And that matters sometimes. Today it doesn't matter because we're not really doing anything other than just making a template. So there's one circle and got another circle here. And this is suffice in itself. If you wanted to make a tag and you wanted it to be a little bit different, you have a tag right here. That's a circle. You put a hole in the top, put whatever topper you want on there, and then right there within itself, it is a tag. So we have the circle itself. And another idea that I had when I was kind of poking around is, oh, I dropped my cardboard. 1 second. Is using not only different sizes, but gluing them together, kind of making something new. And that will be fine for now. So I thought it would be kind of cool if we had a tag here already, right? And it's a circle tag all in itself. And then we took our glue and we just did a small portion of it. Just apply a small amount to the edge here, not around the whole edge. And you're going to see we just want it to stick. And I'm choosing to put mine the left here. I know the contrast is not ideal, but you'll see in just a moment what I'm looking at here. So bringing back the die cuts from a couple days ago, you can just pop some of those in there. Maybe not, that one's a little bit too big. There's a little tag there, and we'll go ahead and use this one here, and another little tag. So we have a plain circle tag, we have a circle tag that has a circle tuck spot on it. And I had one more idea. I'm going to need to trim this cardboard up a smidge. This has been really fun. I'm not sure if you guys are playing along with me, if you guys are creating tags also. If you already have tons of templates coming out the wazoo, that this kind of stuff is not needed for you. I know in the beginning, well, thus far, I am in the beginning, and everything is fun. Die cutting is fun. Punching out items is fun. Cutting out items is fun. Inking stuff is fun. Everything is just fun to me right now. I don't know. You seasoned crafters have to tell me, does that ever change? How do you keep it alive? How do you keep the excitement? Coming across new ideas, new videos, taking courses, chit-chatting with some pals. So my next idea was to take a circle, our original circle tag, and just putting a line completely, I want to make sure you can see what I'm doing here. Just do a line down the middle. And And a line across the bottom just to give it some reinforcement. And a little bit across the top here, kind of making like a capital letter I curved right there. And I am going to choose to put this directly as center as I am capable of. So just putting it in the middle there. And my idea for this was it can hold tags on the side. Isn't that cool? Maybe I will keep our bigger feller up there. There you go. So it's a circle tag holding little tags. I thought that was pretty fun. And our last idea today, I will need one more large circle. This has been really fun making templates. After filming videos, I sit and make some actual tags from the template. Yes. I make actual tags from the template. And at the end here, I will share all of those, and you can kind of see what I came up with. I think that coming up with a cool idea, a cool template, a cool format, that is fun. I also think having different papers and different materials makes it equally as fun. And the last thing I had here was actually we won't even need glue, is to use, I have sorry, my tools are a smidge loud. I have a hole puncher, and just punch a hole. And punch a hole. And then you will just string these two together so they can spin around, spin freely. And you can put many different size tags on there and stack them up, so it's kind of a stacked effect, but it's not glued down like the other ones here that are kind of pockets, and then the center pocket with two on the side, and then the circle tag just within itself. So those are my ideas concerning circle tags. I hope that you played along with me here. You saw that the different sizes can come in handy. If you have this size for your pocket, a very convenient thing to have would be a smaller tag right there. So this would be your pocket, and this would be the inner tag. And either this size or this size would be the outer tag. Again, just using whatever you have around your house, whatever resources you come across, or if you decide to go out and purchase some tools, you can certainly do that. There are no rules, and that's what makes it fun, to see what everyone decides to create and what's interesting to you. So thanks for coming along with me today and exploring circles as a different type of tag, and I will see you back here again at Lovely's Crafting Lodge.